Hello, today we are discuss the Python classes and objects. Python classes and object. Python is an object-oriented programming language. Almost everything in a Python is an object with its properties and methods. A class is like an object constructor or a blueprint for creating the objects. So how to create the class? To create a class, use the keyword class and colon. For example, creating a class named myClass with the property name is X. Here use the class is a keyword and the class name is myClass. This is a user defined, and in front of my class name write the colon, and the property name is X is equal to 5. Creating the object. Now we can use the class named myClass to create the object. For example, create an object named P1 and print the value of X. Here using the class name is myClass and object name is a P1. So how to create class? P1 is equal to object name is equal to class name and print object name dot that attributes, that is X. The initiate function in Python. All the classes have a function called initiate, and initiate function is double colon underscore initiate underscore and open close brace, which is always executed when the class is being initiated. Use the initiate function to assign the value to the object properties or other operations that are necessary to do when the object is being created. For example, class name is person, class name is person and colon, and initiate is a function, so write the def, that is the defining the function and initiate function, and inside the parameter write self comma name and age, and self dot name is equal to write the name and self dot age is equal to write age, and P1 is the object name is equal to person is a class name, and inside the parameter you assign the value, and name is here John and age is a 36, and that both name and age is a print. The self parameter. The self parameter is a reference to the current instance of the class and is used to access variables that belongs to the class. It does not have to be named self. You can call it whatever you like, but it has to be the first parameter of any function in the class. For example, class and class name is a person, and define the function initiate, and self function is self is defined here. Self you are use the self or you are write any name. I am using here self. Self dot name is equal to name and self dot age is equal to age. The pass statement in the Python of the class. Class definition cannot be empty, but if you for some reason have a class definition with no content, put in the pass statement to avoid getting an error. For example, you write the class name is person. If you have no any parameters, then write the pass here. Empty class you can be write the pass because of the error generation, avoiding the error. Thank you for